Okay. Hello. This is for the Bethlehem Express train song, done to Jingle Bells. And I just want to go over a few of the movements that you're going to have. They're very easy. Remember, the first part, we're going to be twisting. I know you can't see my feet, but I'm kind of twisting them down into the ground one at a time, like the mashed potato. Just kind of bopping back and forth. You can go forwards, you can go backwards. The second motion we're going to do, you're going to turn your shoulder, would be your right shoulder to the computer, I think. And you're going to be facing that direction. Okay? Whatever shoulder you have to point to face that direction, that's what you want to do. And you lean forward and back. And forward and back. And you snap. And if you can't snap, that's okay. Just fake it. Nobody's going to know. And the last move that we're going to do is play an air guitar. And I want you to really have fun with that. Okay, so hang on a second. I'm going to turn the music on. There you go. This is a solo. You don't sing. And the Bethlehem Express train. And then you go down. Boom, 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 point. Now we twist. He's blasting. We sing that part. He's blasting. He's blasting. Now we laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Have fun with it. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in Bethlehem Express. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in Bethlehem Express. My '85. Have fun with it. You can play egg. You play maybe play later. You play off the plate. And go get hurt. Come on, we twist. Have fun. Keep smiling. Everything is laughing, laughing, laughing. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in Bethlehem Express. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in Bethlehem Express. That's your first song. Hang on, let me stop the music. And I do want to remind you that my movement on this webcam is a little slow and possibly off the beat. So if you want to try and move on the beat with that music, especially when you're going forward and back, okay? Have fun. Practice hard. Thank you. I'll see you soon.